Wow.
Kumusta? Hello everyone! Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. For today's video, everyone, this is another unboxing, a review, and a try-on from a company, First Bags That Are You. Thank you so much for reaching back to me. So they give this product to me for free. I did not pay any amount from this bag in exchange, of course, of my video, which is I will be doing an unboxing, a review of my own personal opinion, and definitely I always do an outdoor try on to this. Okay, so a little bit information about this First Bags That Are You company. Again, another replica store online in the market. I know, too many replica store in the market, isn't it? But for me, from my own opinion, I don't mind buying. I say this always all the time. I don't really mind buying replica product in the market. Very economical, practical. In time of inflation, that doesn't mean that we have not to go shopping for our own fashion. Still, we have to go shopping for our own fashion. This is a good therapy though. A price for working hard so much. Okay, so First Bags That Are You has a lot to offer to us. Summer is here, so definitely there are lots of good fashionable stuff for you guys there. If you are looking for this kind of product, replica luxury kind of product, well, this is the best company to reach out. You do have a lot of offers, okay? And I have a few eyesight for you guys to give some, at least an idea of what kind of product they are selling into market. Okay, so here are some of that they are selling both for men and women. A lot of fashionable, very affordable, great quality. I'm telling you, this is the best company to reach out. I know I've been telling this always all the time, but for me, from my own opinion, really a replica store, a replica product is very practical. You know, they have a great material though. They use a great material. Although this is a replica, but this is a great material too. And inflation is here big time. So we have to be very practical. A little savings add on that will help to put our table. You know what I'm saying? For me, that's all my opinion. So it's all up to you, to your own discretion, to decide at the end of the day. I'm just telling you my own opinion, okay? So here comes, right? Okay, so without further ado, let's begin the unboxing, okay? I can't really wait though. Okay, so let's begin unboxing. Please, careful when using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. Ta-da! Oh my god, this is big, huh? Oh, look at that. And what I love this is this one too, the heavy duty straps. And I believe this is reversible. Here. Okay. Huge, no? This is really good for shopping. I would say, well, of course, this is a shopping bag. So let us check. Huh. Hear that? Zipper slides so perfectly in. Let's double check her. There's no sharp teeth. Wow. Very beautiful though. Super. I have here. And let's check the inside. And do you know what? Maybe we can check reverse portion too. Let's check the stitches. I don't see out of line stitches here. Beautiful, no? Let's do the reverse side of this. Okay, and so here is the reverse side of this. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? Oh my Lord. Let's check it closely. Oh, looks heavy duty though. This is a replica, but this looks not a replica bag. To me, my own opinion, okay? Everything here is my own opinion. Look at that. Let us check this. Isn't it beautiful? Big. It's roomy though, you know. So what do you say of this? Can't really wait to try this outdoor. Let's attach this one, okay? And so, what do you say? Isn't it pretty? Right? This is a very great purse or bag for us, like going to somewhere else. This has a very roomy though, like, you know, I like the material. Heavy, really a good material that they have. And I think we already checked this. The zipper slides so smoothly, and here there's no bite in the zipper though. So really beautiful, isn't it? My God, look at this handle though. Okay, it's just so beautiful. A shopping bag, right? There is a name on it to attach, and yeah, so I have here, okay, a name, and the lock has a name too. I'm not so sure if you can see that clearly. Oh, I just so in love with this, right? Really, who could tell that this is a replica bag? Well, for my own opinion, it's not really that obvious though, because they have, as I've said, they have a great material. See, let's check here. Can you see that? Really, no? Very beautiful material though. So I'm gonna use this side in my try on outdoor, this red side, okay? Final look. Very roomy. I can have my iPad here, small laptop, and some everyday stuff, like a good to go, you know. Can use this in traveling too, although there's no zipper. It's really hard to put in the compartment up, but we can put this down to our, you know, the room leg. We can use this one too. Yeah, definitely. Why not, right? A good idea. I might be using this in some of my travel too. So again, what do you say? Gorgeous, no? Beautiful. Really. Thank you so much. First bags for this. And this is the other part of the side, other side of this. See? It's beautiful, isn't it? a lots of room inside. Holy smoke. See? Big, beautiful, no? So look at this. Maybe. Okay. Here. And that's hold up there. And let's, okay, and another one here. All right, so now it's saved, right? Really?